One of the things about Cumorah is that it has been designated a community outreach center for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So we do different outreach or service projects every semester.
Today we're doing Family Day. It's a very special day for family. They have this time with their kids, and we prepare the different environments, exposing different cultures about different countries, and they can play, they can taste food, they can see some arts that we prepared for them.
Most of these people, they don't have a lot of friends. They usually are very alone. So just spending a lot of time with them, playing soccer with them, jumping with them, getting wet with them, just help them feel who we are, that we're all beloved children of God.
We want to show the most good part of our countries, and the challenge is what is the most important thing I want to show. So we talk about with our teams about this. So it's a challenge to show football or soccer or volleyball. What is the most important thing we want to show for other people?
We were planning this for 6 weeks.
During the process of planning all of this activity, it was very special because we were a lot of people planning this, so everyone was just adding a little idea, and then until we created something big and meaningful. So we all felt connected to this idea, so we're all very excited to be part of this.
Working as a team with everyone, we all gathered together as a group to prepare the decoration, so I learned how to work as a team.
A key part of the learning experience, I think, for the students at Cumorah is that service makes your heart full, and it provides good things for other people. And that's a really good thing to learn.
I hope they can understand more about our culture and also feel good here and know more about Cumorah and everything we have to offer. So I hope they are happy to be here.